Life is a math equation. In order to gain the most, you have to know how to convert negatives into positives. Good day everyone! In today's lesson, we will be dealing with relations and functions. A relation is a set of ordered pairs. For instance, we have the set of ordered pair 2, 3, 2, 3, negative 1, 5, 4, negative 2, 9, 9, 0, negative 6. This is what we call as a relation. The domain is the set of all x values in the relation. For instance, we have here 2, negative 1, 4, 9, and 0. They are all x values. So we call them as domain. If we are to arrange them from smallest to largest, we'll have the domains as the set of negative 1, 0, 2, 4, and 9. Then we have what we call as the range. The range is a set of all y values in the relation. For instance, we have 3, 5, negative 2, 9, and negative 6. These are all y values in this relation. If we are to arrange them from smallest to largest, we'll have negative 6, negative 2, 3, 5, and 9 as part of our set for the range. A relation assigns the x's with the y's. Example of this is this mapping diagram wherein we have the domain and the set of the range. For the set of the domain, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For the set of the range, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. In this relation, the domain 1 is paired with 6, and domain 2 is paired with 2 of the range. Then next, we have 3 paired with 4, 4 paired with 8, and 5 paired with 10. In this relation, we can write it as a set of the ordered pair 1, 6, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8, and 5, 10. A function f from set A to set B is a rule of correspondence that assigns to each element x in set A exactly one element y in set B. For instance, we have set A is the domain. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And for set B is the range 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. We must use all the x value and assign it to one y value. So we have here 1 paired with 4, 4 with 8, 2 with 2, 5 with 6, 3 with 10. All x values are assigned, and there's no x that has more than one y assigned. Since we have that, we can say this is a function mapping relation. And the kind of relation is what we call as one-to-one relation. Let's look at another relation and decide if it is a function. Set A is the domain and set B is the range. In this domain, we have 1 paired with 4, 4 paired with 4, 2 is also paired with 4, 5 is paired with 4, and 3 is also paired with 4. For it to become a function, it must use all the x values. The x value can only be assigned to one y value. the x are assigned. No x has more than y assigned. The second condition says each x can have only one y, but it can be the same y as another x gets assigned to. We were able to meet our conditions, therefore, this is a function relation. And the kind of relation is what we call as many to one. Let us look at another relation and decide if it is a function. Halimbawa nito ay ang score ng estudyante sa isang quiz sa math. Ang nasa set B ay ang score ng estudyante. At ang student number naman ay nasa set A. Bawat isang estudyante ay meron lang isang grade na dapat na lumabas. Pero ang maraming estudyante pwedeng makakuha ng iisang score, ng parehong score. So, si student 1 ang nakuha niyang score ay 2. Si student 2 ang nakuha niya ay 10. Student 3 ay 8, 4 ay 6, at si student 5 ay nakakuha ng 4. Now, si student number 2 ay nakakuha ng 4 at ng 10. So, dito sa diagram na to, masasabi ba natin na function siya? The answer is no. And why not? Dahil nga, si student number 2 ay nakakuha ng dalawang score. Ito ay ang 4 at ang 10. Ang sabi natin, a grade can only be assigned to a student. Isang grade lang ang pwede. And we call this as one-to-many relation. And one-to-many relation is said to be not a function. Alamin naman natin kung ang halimbawang ito ay function o hindi. Ang set A natin ay meron tayo 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sa set B naman, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Ang domain na 1, ang partner niya ay 6. Ang 4 naman with 4. 2 with 2. 5 with 10. Lahat ba ng domain natin ay nagamit? Lahat ba ng x value ay mayroong kapartner ng y value? It is not. 3 didn't get anything assigned. Comparing to our example, ang students in math must receive a grade. So, function ba ito? This is not a function. It doesn't assign each x with a y. Function ba o hindi ang halimbawang ito? Sa ating domain, yung 3 paired with 2, 1 with 6, 4 paired with 4, 2 with 2, and 5 with 10. Nagamit ba lahat ng x value or ng ating domain? Ang x value ba natin ay may kapareha sa y value or sa ating range? Yes. We can consider this as a function as long as lahat ng value ng x ay may kapareha sa value ng y. Kahit dito, yung 8 na range natin ay walang kapares. Ang klase ng relation na makikita dito sa halimbawang ito ay many to one. And many to one is a function. That's all for today. See you on our next video lessons. Keep safe, everyone.